Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful planter. So let's get started. Arrange them like this on a metal ring. Red rope, then 3 black, again red, red, 3 black and again red. Arrange them like this and then make a gathering knot. Like this. After making this gathering knot, divide these in 4 rows like this: red, black, black, black and red, and make square knots. Do this for the all 4 rows. So as you can see, I made square knots 1, 2 and 3, 4. So we have 4 square knots now. Now pick one row like this and start making lark side knot. This is vertical lark side knot from above, then under, then above, under the rope, above and under. So these are 3 vertical lark side knot, 1, 2 and 3. Same you will do here. Leave the central cord, make vertical lark side knot above, under the rope, and above, like this. We will complete these vertical lark side knot. Now for the central cord, add a bead here. Add a bead in the central cord like this. Arrange this bead in the center, and now gather all the black cords and make a square knot again. In this way you will have a floral pattern like this. Arrange this like this, and now we will repeat this again here. 3 vertical lark side knots over the cord and under the cord, and this makes 1 vertical lark side knot, and again over the cord, under the cord, over the cord, under the cord. So we have 3 lark side knot now. Similarly we will do this here. So now we will continue this pattern. 1 grand square knot, then 3 vertical lark side knot on the both sides, add a bead in a central cord, and then square knot, and then again 3 lark side knot and a square knot. You will continue this pattern for the whole row and for all the other rows also. So as you can see, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 flowers in each row. Now I made this regular web we made for plants, and leave the 5 inches distance. Pick these two and start making square knots. We will make 5 square knots, cords here and 3 coming from the adjacent. So we will have 2 from one and 3 from the other side. Make square knots, leave the distance 5 inches and make 5 square knots. Now we have done with these 5 square knots in every row. Now we will pick these two and these two, and leaving a 2 inches of distance, we will make 1 square knot. Here. Then do this for the other 3 also. Leave the 2 inches distance and made a square knot. Now start making a gathering knot here. Like this, and cut these cords. So we just completed our planter today. I hope you love this beautiful red planter. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourselves and Khuda Hafiz.